Alright guys, we're at the Baymont Inn in Clarksville, Tennessee. It is a motel, and I'm going to give you guys a room tour of room 222. Alright, so this is a queen room with a efficiency, they call it. So it has the little kitchen and fridge. It does have a table that you could work at, I suppose. And I did notice few little things with the room. Cleanliness seems to be okay, but I do seem to see a couple items that are broken, like the air conditioner here. It seems to work, but it's, not perfect, I guess. We got another desk over here, so I guess this is where you would actually work, and then this other table is for eating. I'm not sure why you need two tables, but it's nice to have. The other thing I noticed in the room that's broken is this drawer. It won't stay shut, so might be a little bit of a tripping hazard. Not sure what's up with that, but the room looks fairly clean. It's rated well on hotels.com. So it does have dishes and little dishwasher, actually normal size dishwasher. So, you can cook in the room with the stovetop, and there are cookware, there's pots and pans and that sort of thing. So if you like to cook in your own hotel room, go for it. Toaster. One nice thing is it does have USBs on both sides of the bed, so that's pretty handy. It has an ice maker. I haven't been in here long enough to know if the ice maker is working or not, but it is turned off right now, so I don't know. Probably won't mess with it. Got pretty good sized fridge. I guess that's an apartment sized fridge. All right, place to put your luggage, full size trash can. It does have a nice hanging space. I will say the lighting in here is a little dim. I do have all the lights on, and as you can see in the video, not much light, but hopefully that's not covering up anything. It does have a digital thermostat for the AC unit, so that's nice. Good sized bathroom, pretty standard for hotels these days, I guess, but once again, does seem pretty clean, which is 95% of the battle with a hotel. So, got a few amenities, soaps, shampoos, the normal stuff. So I would say for the price, this was one of the better priced hotels I could find outside of Nashville. It's about 45 minutes outside of downtown Nashville. I would say go for it. It is a motel, but there's a Mexican restaurant next door and a Waffle House next door. So, yeah, if you guys are looking for a decently priced hotel near Clarksville, or I guess was northwest of Nashville, check it out. It's on Interstate 24. All right, next time.